If you're looking for the best oils, chemicals, and accessories that are specifically designed for your Suzuki motorcycle, scooter, or KingQuad ATV, Suzuki Ecstar and Suzuki Genuine Accessories are exactly what you need. Designed to maximize the power and efficiency of Suzuki engines, ECSTAR R9000 full synthetic engine oil represents the pinnacle of Ecstar product development. Suzuki created this high-performance lubricant after hundreds of hours and thousands of laps around racetracks worldwide. The Ecstar MX9000 full synthetic racing oil is designed to withstand extreme use with maximum performance. This ester-based full synthetic engine oil is specifically designed for high-performance 4-stroke motocross engines. Developed with Suzuki professional racers and technicians providing direct feedback to Suzuki engineers, MX9000 is used by Suzuki factory race teams and is intended for motocross racing use only. Keep your Suzuki motorcycle running at its best with Suzuki Genuine Accessories service kits today. The Suzuki Genuine maintenance kits are packaged with all the high-quality OEM parts to do a full tune-up on your Suzuki. These kits are ideal for the used Suzuki you just purchased or the Suzuki in your garage that you want to get back on the road. Choose from a variety of kits from maintenance kits to brake rebuild kits and more. Need a new clutch for your Suzuki? The Suzuki Genuine Clutch Kits are packaged with all the same high-quality OEM clutch plates, springs, and gaskets that your bike was built with. Keep your Suzuki running right with the Suzuki Genuine Drive Chain Kit. The Suzuki Genuine Drive Chain Kits are packaged with all the necessary OEM parts to replace your front sprocket, rear sprocket, and chain. These kits include the same high-quality sprockets and chain that your bike came with. A clean Suzuki is a happy Suzuki, and Ecstar has exactly what you need. The Ecstar Motorcycle Wash and Brake Cleaner are designed with your Suzuki in mind and are the best for your favorite Suzuki motorcycle, scooter, or KingQuad ATV. Give your Suzuki the best. Give it Suzuki Ecstar oils and chemicals and Suzuki Genuine parts and accessories today.